This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So now I have some of the metrics related question that we actually collect from the production, from the operation team. So for Grafana dashboard, where do you store the metrics actually? And do you have any central storage for that? And how does it look like in your current project? Or have you used it? Or if you have any experience about it?
Yeah, so basically we use like our self-managed Grafana solution, and we use Prometheus with it. So Grafana is basically our dashboard. Prometheus is basically who is the one that collects all the metrics. So we basically have a federated Prometheus, which actually collects all the metrics from our multiple clusters. We have like more than 16 Kubernetes clusters, okay? So we basically have only one Grafana dashboard for that. So that's why we call it the federated Grafana and Prometheus. So with all the clusters, we basically have Prometheus agent installed, and Prometheus usually is installed as a daemon set inside the Kubernetes cluster that actually is installed automatically with all the nodes. So it does not matter if we have scaled our cluster, and since it's a daemon set, the Kubernetes automatically launches a new Prometheus pod within that node, and yeah, it basically grabs all those node data, pod data, and all the analytics for like whatever we need. We have some custom Prometheus exporters as well. So all of those actually gathers the data, and Prometheus stored them within a PVC inside the cluster. So that PVC is coming from the AWS EBS volume. So that like volume actually stores all the Prometheus data, and then whenever we go to the Grafana just pulls all the data from the Prometheus, and then we can see it in our Grafana dashboard. So in terms of Grafana storage, we don't store right away with the Grafana. We store everything with the Prometheus, and that is actually stored statically within an EBS volume, so that data doesn't go away anytime. We can access like let's say 6 months back data as well with our Prometheus storage.
Yeah, great.